So, welcome again. I'm Dr. Nupur, and with me is Dr. Preeti, where we are discussing week by week pregnancy series. And today, our discussion will be from 17 to 20 weeks of gestation. If you have not watched the previous videos, please go back and see the playlist either on Facebook or on YouTube on week by week pregnancy, and starting from 17 weeks we will see that what changes happen in mother as well as in baby. So, Dr. Preeti, as far as baby is concerned, what changes are happening at this time? What should be kept in mind, and what should be the way forward?
So this duration of 17 to 20 weeks is of lot of significance. Basically, the significance of this duration is that we do an important ultrasound, which is called the level 2 scan, or the anomaly scan is done between 18 to 22 weeks. So we usually advise the patient to do it at around 19 to 20 weeks. In this scan, it's a detailed scan and it takes a little longer than the normal scans because each and every organ of the developing fetus is seen, right from the brain to the spinal cord, the spine, heart, lungs, the gastrointestinal system, the kidneys, the genitourinary system, the bones, and and a detailed study about the blood flow to the baby is done. So this is an important scan which should not be missed at all, and because it helps in a lot of ways to detect any kind of congenital anomaly the baby is expected to have in future. This is an important thing. Also, we see in the scan, you can see that the baby's facial expressions can be seen in a clearer manner. Sometimes sucking of thumb or fingers can be appreciated. Also, we find that at this stage in the baby, there's a thin layer of what we call as vernix caseosa starts appearing, which is like a buffer or a protective layer on the baby. So this is basically the significance of this duration and this ultrasound.
Yeah. And during this time, sometimes even mother starts to feel flickering, especially those moms who are in their second or third pregnancy and they know how the movement actually happens, maybe sometimes from 18 weeks onwards. For all those who have missed your double marker, you can also go for quadruple marker or the NIPT screen at this time after your level 2 has been done, and also your injection tetanus and flu that you might have missed earlier will be taken during this time period. So, Dr. Preeti, as far as mother is concerned, what changes will she feel during this time?
So the mother has technically actually reached almost half duration of her entire pregnancy. The baby bump starts appearing, and it is because of that she can experience little back pain. So during this period, it is very important to maintain a good posture. We advise girls who are working and have a job to most of the time who have to sit most of the time in front of computer or on a table and like on a chair, they should keep their back straight and also their limbs straight, limbs supported on a stool or some platform so that it doesn't put any strain in their back. If not, if precautions are not taken about your back at this period, then it can cause you trouble. Also, there is females start experiencing that gradually the nausea vanishes and they experience that they feel more hungry, but it is always advisable to take nutritious food. And we tell the patients that basically they don't have to eat for two people. Their entire calorie requirement is only 200 calories more than what they were taking initially. But they should fulfill that energy requirement, that calorie requirement with nutritious food. They should continue taking coconut water, fresh fruits, and nuts as we had advised. Also, they will experience that their weight increases gradually, and they can sometimes experience cramps in their legs. So this needs to be reported to your doctor. Some kind of little bit of stretching pain can be felt off and on. So these things need to be addressed, and you need to tell them to your doctor.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And also comes indigestion. So regular walk is mandatory. It is also good not only for your physical health but for your emotional health and as well. Growing uterus will also bring with it sometimes lower abdominal pain due to stretching of the round ligaments, and even some of you can see stretch marks appearing on your abdomen at this time. So thank you so much for patient listening. Till we meet again, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as well.